Okay, good morning. So it's currently around 7:40. And I woke up around 7 today. So wait, no, today was a bit later, so around maybe 7:15. And now I'm going to make breakfast before I head out. Because I'm meeting my friend around 10:30, so the thing is that if I wake up earlier, I can still spare some time to bring my luggage to the central station and drop it off there first before we meet. Because if not, then I will have to be carrying my luggage all the way back and forth while I'm still traveling. Because my flight is around 9:45 at night tonight. I'll reach Singapore around 3 a.m., 4 a.m. ish. So yeah, but I'm not really sure if I'll be vlogging the entire way. But yeah, if you think this is clean, right, it's because I'm sleeping there instead. And don't ask me why, like, I got a room for like 3 people, because apparently this region of like Sydney doesn't have a single room or something. So, but the facilities are quite good, and wow, you get like free breakfast for pretty much all 3 days. And I think they actually like reload the fridge, because they added like 1 packet of milk and 1 packet of like fruit drink when I came back yesterday, so that was nice. Yeah, so it kind of just looks like this with butter, peanut butter, Vegemite. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and have my breakfast, and then I'll probably head out around 8 or 8:30 maybe. Yeah, because the trip from here all the way to Central Station is like 1 hour-ish, and then I need to head to Redfern to transfer to like a bus, which is going to take a while. Let me see. You can't really see much outside from here. Okay, there's a mall there, but yeah, that's about it. Okay. Yeah, so if I go to Perth Mint later or something, I might film, but I'm honestly not sure how it will turn out. Pretty much everything else is packed already, because I took a shower before I started filming. And my shoes died, so my friend brought me to Kmart to buy a new pair of shoes, which is like around $30. $30 Sing and $30 Australian, same. Yeah, so I guess that will be all. See, it's like very typical hotel stuff. Yeah, and this also. Right, see ya.